Not show nobody your struggle.
Yo, Jemmy.
Not tell nobody your weakness. Remember some misery like company. No for them happy, fi see you unhappy. You coulda cry blood for your tears. We living in times when nobody cares. Every man to his own, check for himself and nobody else. Yo dog, how that me a hear? The boss say we get shot pay again. That means say me work free some days. Ya know say me feel like a part-time slave. You think it easy? Fi jump out on a job every day you work hard and you get shot pay. When a time for you get your money, you think it easy? You're up to your neck in a bills and a Christmas time, but the boss tell you say that he work slow down so he ma cut your pay. Them wicked and bad mind, that's why no for we turn criminal. Now tell me you nah see the economy, nah say me wrong and you nah feel poverty. Nah like no for no black man mentality. You never want nothing happen for nobody, and no blame it on slavery. No for you have a choice and choose to live so. You coulda cry blood for your tears. We living in times when nobody cares. Every man to his own, check for himself and nobody else. Yo dog, how that me a hear? The boss say we get shot pay again. That means say me work free some days. Ya know say me feel like a part-time slave. Them boy they do about them bad mind. You kill your brother and you do get none. All because him gain more with him time. When everybody got the same 24 hours. When you fall at the time, bad mind rejoice. Give me the K, make me and enjoy. I mean nah hesitate, we go up with them. And me a dig them grave with love and joy. Them wicked and bad mind, that's why no for we turn criminal. Now tell me you nah see the economy, now say me wrong and you nah feel poverty. Now like no for no black man mentality. You never want nothing happen for nobody, and no blame it on slavery. No for you have a choice and choose to live so. You coulda cry blood for your tears. We living in times when nobody cares. Every man to his own, check for himself and nobody else. Yo dog, how that me a hear? The boss say we get shot pay again. That means say me work free some days. Ya know say me feel like a part-time slave. Not tell nobody you struggle, not show nobody your weakness. Instead of them help you, enough of them go exploit you.